If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Call of Duty, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your game settings and system performance. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, as updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Open the game and navigate to the graphics settings. Lower the settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Reducing these settings can help improve frame rates and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Optimize Windows settings. Go to your Windows settings and adjust for best performance. Disable unnecessary background applications and ensure that your power settings are set to high performance to maximize your system's capabilities while gaming. Step 4. Check for overheating. Monitor your system's temperature while playing. Overheating can cause throttling, leading to stuttering. Clean your computer's fans and ensure proper airflow. Consider using software to monitor temperatures and adjust fan speeds if necessary. Step 5. Verify game files. If stuttering persists, verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher such as Battle.net or Steam. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help resolve performance issues. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stuttering while playing Call of Duty. Enjoy your gaming experience.